there it is.
Fucking it.
Come on, let's go.
Oh no!
Jason, dapat umalis ka na
Kasi isang anak lang ako. So I was very, very spoiled. Pero mapapansin.
Mama, ba yan? Tawagan anak ko si Kevin, hindi na katabangan eh. Oh my god. Shit.
His regime is going to mean for that was mostly untouched, not harassed by the former regime in Bashar al-Assad. They were largely left alone. So they're trying to figure out where they're going to fit in this new Syria. And it seems like that is where...
50 degrees in downtown Portland. It's 51 in Vancouver and 51 in Oregon City. Weather brought to you by Dr. Paul Okamoto and Masters Touch Chiropractic Clinic. Their goal is short-term care, long-lasting results. Call 503-224-BACK for a complimentary consultation.
It's now 6:19.
Oh! Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Jesus. Oh. Oh no. Oh.
Hey Garmin, save video.
I'm so excited for Tyra, and now at least it just feels dirty. Yeah, I do feel a little bit.
Are you kidding me?
Stabbed in the back by Tyra, just a little bit. Obviously, a little bit.
Are you kidding me?
Stabbed in the back by Tyra, just a little bit. Obviously, you know that day Kale and I had went really well, and I feel like I definitely pushed any feelings I had for him to the back of my brain because I wanted that for you. I wanted to respect you guys. I wanted you guys to explore.
Whoa! 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 Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me.
What, you using your rear mirror?
Yeah.
Apparently not.
Yeah, I turned around and I didn't see anything.
No, you weren't. I was already past you, kept on going right into me. I was already past you. How in the hell you hit me? You're being ignorant. Call the police.
Can I just give you my info? Can I just give you my info?
You're not going anywhere. You're going to wait for the
You dropped the ladder. You dropped the ladder. You had a ladder on your roof that fell off. Yeah. Just around the corner. Yeah.